End it all. I'm sick and tired of all this.
You get out of the palace now! Get out!
Roland, what is wrong with... Roland, no.
Step aside.
Don't. No, I will not.
Step aside.
I will not! I will not! I will not!
Roland! Let it happen!
I hope it's okay.
What is it?
I had a terrible dream about you. I'm worried.
As you can see, I'm fine. So go back to bed.
I think Roland is planning something bad.
Not when I'm still the king. Come to my arms.
I said stop! Stop for what? You're not welcome in this palace.
Also?
Get out. What do you mean? Do you know you are talking to Ono of this land?
No,
don't tell me!
Hey,
come with that. Hey, let's go.
Come with that.
Hey! Stop it there. How dare you come into this place and start making noise? Eh? Oh, you think you're in the village, eh? This is GRA. And for GRA, we don't make noise. Now listen, both of you. We are in the new era. And this new era does not recognize this man here as the owner of this kingdom. How dare you open your mouth and talk to me in such manner? In Apwala. I am still the owner of this kingdom. In Akko. He's still the owner of this land.
Hey, leave this place before I change my mind.
We are going nowhere. We are here. We are going inside that place to stop what is happening there.
Fine and good. Go there. Let me see you. Go! What is it? Oh! Why are you running away? Come back! Come back and make noise!
Both of you are so lucky. I should have blown your brains out. Can you just imagine? Coming in here to make noise.
As the new Onowu of this kingdom, I crown you the Okosisi one of Waititi Kingdom. Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, You may stand.
May your reign be long, my king.
The Hiroko! Our janitor.
Thank you very much, Onowu.
Hey. Okay.
It's now a new dawn. Yes. In the Titi Kingdom. Sit. Oriaku, sit up. Yes. I am excited because for the very first time, the great people of Etiti will experience what modern kingship is all about. Thanks for standing by me, especially you, my digital Onowu.
I told you.
For believing in my dream and for helping me achieve it. I will appreciate each and every one of you with 1 million naira.
Ah! 1 million. 1 million.
Meanwhile, this is what I call atol. Atol first. Before the 1 million.
Oh, goodness.
Atol.
Crispy, no. This is a tomato.
1 million is atol. But I told you that you should know better. That your father must succumb. And this is what it is. Ha! And I know down here can
Digital Onowu. Digital Onowu.
Oko Sisi 1 of the Titi Kingdom.
Abomination. But we're not going to allow it in this land. All possible. Again, all possible.
A lizard thinks itself a crocodile. But a crocodile is a crocodile. Lizard. Sit down. I heard what happened.
Iwe, are you saying you are aware that Ogu and Ichiago, Idika, gathered in your son's house to crown him the king of this land?
They already crowned him.
Hello.
But I will not give them time to hurt me. Those involved in this must be punished.
Immediately. Immediately. This is a slap on our faces.
Oh no. Igwe, there must be an emergency meeting tomorrow. All cabinet members must be present.
Consider it done, Your Majesty. I will do it.
That's all for now.
Igwe.
King Roland the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi 1 of it. King Roland the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi 1 of it. It's very mean. Iwe juri yobi. You must agree to everything he says.
Hey, you old fools! Are you too blind? Can't you see that the Igbo Kosisi 1 of a Titi Kingdom is right here before you and you cannot say greetings? Why?
Hey! No make I vex! If I vex, I go put up for your body to chorus. Move that way. Move it.
Why are they people stopping?
Your Highness, can you imagine these old fools? These old fools! The Igbo Kosisi is standing before you and you cannot say greetings?
So you can't
Are you done ranting?
So you cannot recognize the king of Etiti Kingdom. Now, bow down before me and greet me as your king.
Once!
Igbo Kosisi 1 of Etiti Kingdom. Immediately.
Roll out. I
can never bow down to greet you.
You are not my Igwe, and you can never be my Igwe, because your father is still alive.
Are you mad?
You slapped me.
How dare you call my husband by his name? Are you crazy? Are you mad?
Go that door.
Deal with him.
Go that door. Come on. Go there. Your king is standing for you and you say you can't greet. Can you imagine?
The audacity.
Next time you will learn how to do it. Oh, you have a job. You see what I like? Next time when you see your king.
1, 2, hey, go! 1.
When you see your king,
you greet.
When you see your king,
you greet.
Add more pressure.
You greet.
Yes.
You greet.
Ichofia, Roland is a disgrace to this land.
I do not blame him.
Eh?
I do not blame him. I blame our fellow members who disregarded their role and sold their conscience to the devil. That is why he's behaving the way he's behaving.
But we must stop him. Yes, we must. Roland is nobody. And they cannot be greater than this land, our land here. Okari line, we must stop him. You know, so impossible. We can Roland the book.
Our people are the cause of all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Our people are the cause of all this.
Dikeh the millionaire. Oyo mo. Your husband is a millionaire from this moment.
Millionaire?
Oh, yes now.
Hi. Are you one of the elders that crowned Roland king?
I am the chairman of the elders that crowned Roland the king of the land. And I will not regret it. Do you know why? Because he's the only person that can move this community forward. Not that old fool of his father, who is very stingy, who cannot even give you 1 naira, 2 naira, even when you're dying. Since I've been working under him, have I been this happy? But today you can see I'm happy. Only today, the money Roland spread on us that made me a big man. He did not stop there. He promised each and every one of us 101 May. 101 May.
Nine. I am looking at you. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Us? Ashamed of myself? How?
Nine. Why will you join that small boy Roland to fight against his own father, the king of this land? Whatever you are collecting from him, I and my children will not be part of it.
He say, because already you are a poor woman and you want to die a wretched woman. As for me and my children, we will always be in support of Roland because that is the only way we can see light. We will be with him because we will benefit, we will continue to benefit. But you, you can die a poor woman, no problem.
Nine, why didn't you ask him or advise him to wait until his father is dead? Why? Nine, in fact, I am so disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you. All these things that you are doing, you will bear the consequences alone.
Ikwuochili is dead now. Have you not heard?
You will bear the consequences alone, Nine.
Bye, poor woman. She will start begging for money now. I don't know why I have to say that I pick some money. She will beg now. No problem.
Your Highness, what is this I'm hearing? Is this true? Eh?
Roland has made himself a king when his father, is still alive. He has indirectly declared me dead.
No, please don't say that. Don't say that, please. You have to stop him immediately.
So how do I do that? Fighting.
You can use the police.
The police?
Yes.
Have you forgotten his sudden influence on the police?
You're right. But we can't fold our hands and watch him commit such an abomination. He should be stopped.
Well, I have called for an emergency meeting from the cabinet.
Okay.
Roland has taken more than he can chew. I mean, he cannot succeed me when he has a big brother in the name of John.
Your Highness, I'm not talking about John. I'm concerned about Roland becoming the king when his father is still alive.
I'm concerned for both of them. We have tradition. He cannot be the king when his first brother is there. I mean, I don't want John to come back and meet this kind of situation. It will tear the kingdom apart.
It is only the leg that soil with mud enjoys everything.
Papa, what happened to you? What's the problem?
It's Rolando. Roland attacked me and Ichiofia on our way coming back from the palace. He said we must kneel down and address him as the new Igwe. And when we said no, he sent his boys to start beating us.
To do what? No. Papa, wait. Which of the Roland are you talking about?
The Roland you know.
One Bansi Roland. Is it the same Roland that used to beat far back when we were in secondary school? Roland touched you.
That boy has turned to a monster.
No, Papa, forget that thing now. Is it because he has made money? No, is it because he has chicken change? Oberego, Papa, one-on-one, you got Roland there. One-on-one, you got Roland hands down. I will beat Roland blue and black. What are you saying?
Holy sir, it's not Roland of yesterday.
God, who made me and Roland there? Nga Roland now. Nga Roland. Don't worry.
Mwana hapo kwala.
I'm concerned for both of them. We have tradition. He cannot be the king when his first brother is there. I mean, I don't want John to come back and meet this kind of situation. It will tear the kingdom apart.
Mom? Mom, what is this I'm hearing about Roland becoming the Igwe of this land? I mean, even if father is dead, John should be the one to take over the throne as the elder son and not Roland.
Don't say what you don't know.
What? Is that what you're not telling me, Mom? Is John not your elder son? Or am I mistaken, Mom?
Ogo.
Mother.
I need to be left alone.
What?
You heard me.
Open that gate! Roland! Roland!
Hey! one more step, I'll blow your head off.
Roland! How dare you raise your stupid hand on my father? You are not worth this land, how dare you? Huh?
Ini, I talk to men, not boys. You said I lay my hands on your father. Let your father come, man. I can't be talking to you.
It's like you've forgotten. You've forgotten how I used to beat you in our secondary school days, huh? When, if you try me, huh? No, let's go. What do you
How dare you? How dare you talk to the king in such manner? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Are you insane? Are you on some cheap drugs or what? What is wrong with you? Are you a madman?
Honey, please, come and sit. It's not your fight, okay? Don't mind me. It's not worth your time.
You better watch it. You better watch it, else I will deal with you personally. Fool.
Look at the way Osodieme humbled you. Now imagine what will happen to you when I see you as a problem. The next time you walk into my compound like this, I swear, you will disappear from the surface of...
What the tell these puppies to drop their gun? What the put their hands down? Tell these puppies to drop their gun! Put your hands down now! Hey! Move! Puppies! Get out! When I get a village gate, when I get a village road, when I'm going to go, bastard! Run as idiot! Nonsense! Nonsensible!
It's not worth your time, okay? That was beautiful. Also, dear man.
Oh, one of it is a kingdom. Father, I am not happy about what's happening. No one is talking to Roland.
I'm not silent about this. I've already fixed an emergency meeting for my cabinet members. I'm suspecting that some of them are with Roland.
Dad, this is not the time to be soft. You don't need to be soft on this. This is the time to punish Roland and those supporting him.
You're right. But trust me when I say I'm fixing this.
The truth is, I don't even understand my mother's stand on this. John is the heir apparent and not Roland.
No one is disputing it. My older son is still alive. No one will take his position, trust me.
Father, we just need to do something so fast. We just need to be fast about it.
Here comes the great Philmond, mother of the youngest king.
What has come over you? What is wrong with you?
What were you trying to do? You wanted to slap me before my subjects?
You are very stupid. Do you know the consequences of what you have done? Do you? I want to speak to you inside now.
King Roland the Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, one of it. King Roland the Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, one of it. It's very mean.
Roland, you disappointed me.
I don't get it. Because I took what rightfully belongs to me? Listen, Mom, the deed has been done. Okay? I'm now the new king, so father should step down and shift. Let him step aside.
I'm disappointed at you. Yes! Go to your father and apologize to him.
I will do no such thing. Never. You advise your husband to step aside. I have modern things I want to infuse into kingship. This is Jet generation now. He's too old for this position. Life is all about time and season. So tell him to step aside.
Meaning what? I said you should go to your father and apologize to him. Yes!
I will do no such thing. I am the Okosisi of Etiti land. The deed has been done and nobody can reverse that.
Roland, do not provoke me further. Don't! Go and undo this. The people will hate you for this.
Who cares?
Roland, don't you think you can do this without my support? Yes, I have my reasons for telling you to go to your father and apologize to him. But if you think you can do this alone, I'm watching.
I am Okosisi one of Etiti kingdom, and there is nothing anybody born of a woman can do about it.
King Roland the Okosisi, Okosisi one of Etiti Roland.
We all know the people behind this atrocity. Let them be arrested immediately.
Ichiona, arresting Ichiogo and co is not the solution here. The main problem is Roland. Once we stop him, those following him will disperse.
Then how do we stop him? I think that is the deliberations here. How do we stop him? Your Highness, I think I'm in support with Ichionora's suggestions. Let them be arrested. So that if there is any of us that is planning to join them tomorrow, we stop. Something has to be done.
I disagree with you, Ogonu. I disagree with you. Arresting Ichiogo and co will not stop Roland. If you like, try and see.
Ichioji, please take it easy. We are not quarreling.
What is that with anyone here?
Ichioji, that's enough. Oh no. You must make arrangements for the arrest. They have to be arrested. For them not to appear on this meeting is a clear indication that they have something up their sleeves. They must sign letter of undertaking that they are not against my reign.
Your Highness, consider it done. Emecha go be Emecha.
On that note, this meeting is over.
He has taken people by the hand. He said that delay is dangerous. Apolo ni jua. Ojidegi piago talimegi fe bagi mowo. Ifunanya. If you disobey. Ojidegi piago talimegi fe bagi mowo. Ifunanya. What is done, no going back. No one dares me, I am the king, I am unstoppable.
What is the decision of the elders in council?
Ichiogo and others with him are to be arrested with immediate effect.
Arrest? You think arresting them will remedy the situation? Your Highness, my son Roland has all the influence you can think of on the police.
I've written to the governor. Does your son have the power to genuflect the conscience of the governor too?
Your Majesty, if you ask me, I would say dialogue is the best option.
Dialogue with who? Roland? That I've been trying to be lenient with him does not mean that I don't know the measures to take. If he push me further, I will spoil the road.
You mean fight with your own son?
Then tell your son that he will never be a king even after me.
This bandit Igwe have taken. Eh? I told Igwe that all those people that are behind this atrocity happening in our community, all of them must be arrested.
But you were there when Igwe said I should make arrangement for the arrest.
What are you still waiting?
We are just coming back now. First thing tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, you will hear the news.
But they have overstayed their welcome.
The issue is that I don't even know it could be money. That boy Roland, you can imagine a whole Ichiogo, Nago, and they make it because of ego.
You may not blame them. You may not want that.
Ago. Oh, not equal.
Hey! Move that way. Fast. Move. And keep calm as you're going. Quiet.
Cheers. Okosisi. The only Okosisi of Etiti Kingdom. Powerful man.
Onowu.
Okosisi.
The latest Onowu. Digital Onowu. Onowu, you know I like you.
I know.
That means you have no problem.
Okosisi, I told you to relax. You don't have to bother yourself. I told you that your father will have no option than to succumb.
Digital Onowu.
Okosisi.
For saying this alone, I will transfer 5 million naira into your account before you leave here.
Ha! I'm gonna do Okosisi. May you reign forever. Your Majesty, may your reign be long.
You're welcome, Ichie. I go sit. Why are you panting like a lost sheep?
Your Majesty, Onowu and Ichie Onora were kidnapped this afternoon by some unknown gunmen.
Are you blind? Look at my digital Onowu seated here. Are you not aware? This is the latest Onowu of Etiti Kingdom now.
Your Highness, I am referring to Ichie Nduka.
Oh, Ichie Nduka. He is no longer the Onowu now. Are you not aware? Anyway, what happened to them?
Your Highness, they were kidnapped just this afternoon by some unknown gunmen in my very presence.
Now, their ego should give the boys some money now. There is hunger in the land. They are stingy people. They don't buy drinks. They don't do saraka. So they will move them normally. Let their ego give the boys some money so that these people will come back. If you take care of his
You are very correct.
his
Okosisi. Okosisi. Let their ego take care of them. This is a new era. Abi?
They are not covering their area well. If they are covering the area well, there should be no such thing.
Okosisi.
I wonder why Onowu is still delaying to give me a situation report.
Your Majesty, I told you that the approach will not work. Call for dialogue and iron things out for both parties.
Leave dialogue out of this, woman. I'm not going into that.
Then we are not ready to tackle the problem.
Hello.
I meant nothing but what I just said. Call for dialogue. He said no. Let me see how police is going to solve the The problem, you're only giving room for anarchy in this land.
Watch your mouth. You are addressing equally one of great entity kingdom. You don't have right to lecture me on how to run this kingdom.
George. Oji, what is happening?
Igwe, my queen, I greet you. Igwe, Egwudi, do you know who and Onwara were kidnapped on the way from here?
Did you say adopters? By who?
They said it's unknown gunmen. Igwe, up till now, their whereabouts is unknown.
How is that even possible in this land? The commissioner of police must hear about this. Those behind this must be brought to book.
What is that? What is it that I'm hearing about your father?
What exactly did you hear about my father?
I heard that your father and the chair honorable were kidnapped this afternoon when they were coming out from the palace meeting. Is it true?
Looking at you, the cocaine and was. The cocaine and sitters, but be very careful. Be very, very careful with me, because when I start, I will so deal with all of you. Heads will roll in this community.
Why are you pointing your fingers at me? Did I kidnap your father or did I send people to kidnap him?
You were looking at Mama Pologaya now. You were looking at Mama Pologaya. Let me look for my father. Let me look for my father. You will know what I'm made of. You will know the reason they call me Akajidam Wadawa. I will so deal with you and all your group.
Only sir, nobody can run away from this because of you. I will remain here. I will die in this place, even as a hero. Only sir, I can't run away from it. He said, hey, you want to touch me? You want to touch me? And it's here.
That's what I'm saying.
Dikeh.
People are passing. I would have strangled you and buried you. People are passing.
What has come over this boy? What really has come over this boy? Did he take something? Hey! Bana is working.
I have called the commissioner of police and he promised that his men will be swinging into action immediately.
Your Majesty, they have to follow the matter up.
Yes, Your Majesty. Because delay will be very dangerous.
The reason I called the commissioner, personally, he has never failed me.
Let us keep our fingers crossed. Let nothing happen to Uno and Chief Honora.
Nothing will happen to them.
You see...
King Roland the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of the King Roland the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of the titi. It's very mean. Iwe juri yobi. Onuma juri yaro. You must agree to everything he said.
I'm sorry. And who is your name? Is that how to greet the queen of this land? Stone?
Standing by General White Mama.
I want you to teach this old, wretched, foolish woman some respect. So that next time when she sees the queen, she knows how to greet.
Yes, my queen. As you wish, my queen. Go down, go down, go down. I said, go down, go down. I know they like. If I provoke, you don't go lie down. Madam, lie down. I said, make you lie down. Lie down. You know they hear me. Your queen is talking and you're standing. Eh? Who you be? What did they bring all this guy? Too much. What did they bring familiarity? Eh? What did they bring familiarity?
What happened? Stop it, young man. You want to kill her? Huh?
And who are you to tell him to stop? You this wretched old fools in this land. Yes. Don't you know how to greet? When you see your queen, don't you know how to greet your queen? Osodieme, one of a Titi kingdom.
You say, you don't know how to greet. What are you talking about? You don't know how to greet. Did you hear that? You don't know how to greet. Greet her. Hey, greet.
Stone.
Standing by.
I've changed my mind.
Oh.
On your news.
What?
I said on your news now.
Are you aware you are asking the elders of this land to kneel down?
Do you see my cap?
Stone, I'm losing it.
Go down. Go. I said go. Hey. See, if you move, I will move you. Now, lie down. Lie down, my friend. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Put your head. Put it on the floor. If your queen is talking, General White Mama, what do I do with these old fools?
I want you to beat both of them. Beat them black and blue. No mercy.
Your wish is always my command. My friend, come on. Lie. Lie down. Where? Lie. Hey, straight to her. Lie. Will you lie down? Lie down. Oh, yeah, lie.
I never knew I was this smart. They will deal with Ichiofa ruthlessly. He wasn't that smart. I think they have gone. Gods of our land. What kind of trouble is this? Gods of our land. Protect us, oh.
Well, Honorable Commissioner, my point is simple, yeah? Those are my opponents, yes. It's not like I wished them evil, but God might be punishing them, so let's not intervene too much, yeah? Don't go deep in the investigation, yes. They are suffering for what they did in the past, yes. How are we even sure it is kidnappers? Maybe it's people that they are owing. Are you getting me? So relax and don't stress yourself, okay? I will send you 5 million naira for inconveniences. Alright, thank you very much. So again, you look worried. What is it?
Your Majesty, can you believe one useless, old, haggard, wicked, in fact, one stupid woman blocked my path this afternoon? As I was dealing with her, some useless non-entity, I don't even know where they came from. I believe they came from your father's side, came to interrupt me. What audacity! Do they know who I am? Do they know that I am the queen of this land?
Stone, standing by, General.
Aqua,
live long, Your Highness.
Go into this kingdom. Find out the lady that blocked Osodieme today and the useless elders that interfered. I want them all here before the end of today.
Yes, Your Highness.
Don't come back if you have no good result.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Live long, Your Highness.
Relax. Don't worry.
The audacity!
Calm down. Before the end of today, trust me, we will fish them out and I will deal with them mercilessly. Sit.
Ezinne, why did you block her way? Did you not know that she's the queen of this land?
She's not. She's not my queen. She is not the queen of this land and can never be. She's too heartless. Too heartless to be the queen of this land.
She cannot be. Now look at what her bodyguards did to you. Look at your body. Ezinne, I've told you. Do not bring problem upon yourself because I will not come out and support you. Definitely I will not come out.
Don't come out. I don't need your support. Don't come out.
What kind of woman is this? Stay on your own. Leave people that want to stay on their own to stay on their own. They are not looking for you. Keep away from any. Hey! Again. The soldiers. The great soldiers of the great king of Ekiti land. What do I owe this August Vincent?
Aqua, that's the woman. Move her.
Woman, move it. I said move it. I can understand the fact that you are old enough to be my mother. I do not want to get violent. I said move it!
Please, what is she?
Do not make this baby cry on you. Move!
Hey! What has she done? What has she done now? Hey! Oh! Easy now! What has she done? What has she done?
Hey, move back. Go back.
Move back! She's my wife. What has she done now? Hey! What has she done now? What has she done? Hey! What has she done? What has she done? Eh? This woman, I told you, you will put yourself in trouble. You will put yourself into trouble. Eh? Where would they take you to now? I don't know. Hey! Hey! I'll go there.
Oji. These boys are very wicked. Imagine what they did to an old man like you. Huh?
Ichiofia, we should have run too. You should have run like I did. Huh?
So wait. Are you trying to tell me that you are smarter than me? Huh?
Oji, who's talking about being smart here? They dealt with you because you did not run. Anyway, sorry for what happened. It's okay. Ndo? Family am.
Okay, Ndo.
Makati. They are Bwagebo.
Hi.
If you move, you're a dead man. Hey, move. Go ahead. Move. Don't kill us. Move. Please don't kill us. Move. Go on. Coward. Come on then. Let's go.
Now move it.
Hey, move.
Move it. Move.
I said move. Move.
Move inside. Move. Move. I said move. Move it there, sucker. Move it.
Look at them, my king. These are the ugly, stupid village elders that scolded me when I was punishing this thing here.
Even if you don't have respect, you should have fear. Let's start from here first. Are you with me or against me? Can't you even greet?
Hey, greet. Now!
You are not my Igbo now. We only have only one Igbo actually.
Yeah.
That's okay. At least I know where he stands. What is that red cap still doing on his head?
Get down! I said, get down.
Hey, can't you greet?
Igwe, Ekademke.
Is that how far you can go?
Great is my king. May your days be long.
Good. You may leave. Your sins are forgiven.
Igwe.
Move.
Hey. Today.
What about you? Won't you acknowledge me as your king?
Your father is still alive. He's our Igwe.
Oh, see.
Okay. Give this useless old fool 40 strokes of cane. In fact, make it 42 for his stupidity. And as for the woman, let's be fair on her. Give her 30 lashes. And that's it.
Yes, Your Highness. Immediately.
Get down! Get down!
So make it 35. Yes, 35.
Go down. Go!
Igwe! Hey!
Yes.
Igwe! Hey! Igwe, I'm finished.
So,
I am finished.
what happened?
Hey, your son has killed me.
What did my son do to you?
Igwe, your son gave me 40 strokes of cane. In case I want me he added it 2 above 42. Hi! Because I refuse to call him Igwe.
What?
How would you manage so?
It's your friend. Sorry.
Your Majesty.
Sorry.
Did anything the matter?
Your son, Roland, is a Titaka. He had Ethiopia receive 40 strokes of cane for not addressing him as a king.
Igwe, the most part of it is about my bottom, my bum, he's burying me, you God. Hi, Igwe. Igwe,
Please, Your Majesty. You have to forgive me. You have to forgive me, Your Majesty. I was so scared that I had to address him as Igwe.
Igwe.
Because I couldn't receive what he received. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
You address my son as the king. Where is their loyalty?
Okay.
Please, Your Majesty. I was scared. I was scared of being treated the way Ichiofe was treated. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
Disappointed at both of you.
Better!
Look at him. His bottom is on fire.
Ichiofe.
Huh? Igwe.
I'm sorry for what my son did to you.
Thank you, Igwe.
I'll give you some money to treat yourself.
Huh?
I am compelled to meet with my son now.
You give me some money.
That I will do.
Oh, always in dough. Always in dough. Only fast. Give me the money. Hey! Did I not warn you about the looming danger? Did I not warn you? I told you.
Roland will never see anything good in his life.
Hey, don't talk. People are watching. People are hearing you. Don't talk anything against the king of this land. I am not there.
He is not our king. He can never be.
Much people, sir. Shut up.
Roland will pay. He will pay for all his evil in this land.
Whatever you say,
he will suffer.
I am not part of you. Look at my hands. They are clean. You will eat what you are talking here. My hands are not there.
I'm not asking you to support me. I am not asking you. Look at me. Look at me. What did I do? What did I do to Roland? What did I do to Roland? Roland will suffer. His family, his wife. They will suffer. They will cry for help. And they will not see. The gods of this land will desert him and his family.
Now, he's your Can you cut your mouth short? Hey! You boy, eh? Now you have learned your lesson. Hey!
Up till now, nothing is heard of Ono and Honora. Not even a call from their doctors. Does that mean that my son has a hand in this? I think the best thing is to summon him.
I have discussed with our son, and he's ready for dialogue.
Have you also asked your son if he's involved in the Ono's kidnap?
Well, Your Majesty, that is an accusation Roland will not take lying down. Why would he kidnap Ono?
You should ask yourself the same question. Talk to your son. I am beginning to lose it.
Well, Your Majesty, I have tried my best to talk sense into our son, and he has accepted a dialogue. Anything aside that, count me out. Excuse me.
Hello. I say, what are we going to do?
I'm dying of hunger here. I'm dying of hunger here. Please, let's do what they asked us to do. Number one.
Honorable, keep quiet.
Hungry.
Keep quiet. You are behaving like a child. See, if it means me dying for the truth, I am ready for it. I am ready.
No. I'm not going to die for you. I'm not going to die you. After everything, Igor Chile will reconcile with his son Renard. Ago.
How dare you blaspheme against the king? Huh? Honora, if you have made up your mind to go against the cause of this land, let me tell you, you are on your own. No. Count me out.
Hungry. Hey, what did happen here? What are people discussing? I heard voices.
Yes. He said he's hungry. He's hungry.
This is just the beginning. We are ready to keep both of you here for 2 weeks without food or water. Only if he cooperates, then you have your freedom. Ichendoka, are you ready to resign from your office as a Olowu of Etiti Kingdom?
It's not in my powers. I owe legends to no other person than Igwe or Chelewan and the people of Ekiti Kingdom. So it's not in my powers.
Tell me what you want me to do. The sovereign And for what? It's too much. Please.
Keep quiet! Quiet! I'm not going to release you people from here except to turn to accepting our condition for your freedom. Guys, let's go. We are not ready. Hey, quiet! Keep quiet!
Oh, if I die here, my blood is on your head here.
Honor.
Huh?
Honor, don't die here. Don't die here.
Your Highness, up till now, nothing is heard about my father's disappearance. Because I don't understand, how can the Onowu of this great kingdom be kidnapped and you're seated here, relaxing in this palace and doing nothing about it?
Olisa, calm down. I am on top of this matter. And the police are doing their investigations too.
Asigwe, let us tell ourselves the truth. We all know who is holding my father hostage. Tell Roland to release my father. Yes, Roland is the one keeping my father. Tell him to release my father. Or some police.
Well, Olisa, there is no need to make false accusations when we are not sure of what truly transpired. Like I said, your father and that of Honora will gain their freedom soon.
I'm just respecting you. I swear to God, I am just respecting you. Otherwise, I would have done something disastrous in this community. I would have committed a sacrilege in this community. But don't worry. It's fine. Yeah? It's fine. Just today. Let today pass and my father does not come home. What I will do in this community, also one over there. You know what I am made of. Idiot.
That's what I'm going through. Having Roland as son.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You sent for me.
Yes.
Deliver this letter to my son. Go to his house. Make sure you deliver it to him directly. If it's not in his house, step back until he comes. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do that immediately.
I learned that the Chionora and Onowu have not been found.
The police has not come up with any useful result.
Father, are we going to be waiting on the police endlessly? Why not send the youth of this land to comb the bushes, uncompleted buildings? You know, these men might be hidden in any of these areas I just mentioned.
Good point. But not until I must have spoken to your brother is behind all this.
Don't tell me you intend going to his house.
I've given a letter to him.
Well, John called me this morning. He has heard about Roland.
Yes, I spoke with him too, and I asked him to stay back until I'm done with my plans.
Father, why will you ask him to stay back? Allow him to come back and fight for his right. You may not handle this alone. Please let him come back and fight for his right. There is no time.
I'm still the king, a supreme authority. No case is above my capacity.
Dad, I just want us to be at the safe side. Let John come back and fight for his rights.
Okay.
King Roland the Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi, one of it. It's Roland, Oko Sisi, Oko Sisi.
Hey, match it there. Stop.
Good day.
So what brings you here?
I brought a message from the king. Ha! What king are you talking about? Eh? Listen, young man, do not make such mistake again if you love your life. There is only one king, and that is King Igwe Okosisi, one of Etiti Kingdom. Do you understand me? It's okay, I understand you. Please just take it easy, okay?
No.
Please.
Did you hear what he said?
Yes.
Now let me have it.
The king said I should.
Are you deaf? Eh? One more word from you and I will lose this bullet on your forehead.
Please don't shoot me, please. Please.
How dare you?
His father said I should deliver this message to him directly. Please. Akwa.
Come. Turn around. Turn.
Okay. Turn.
Face that way.
Please don't.
Hey! One more word from you.
I'm just a messenger from the palace. I'm here to deliver a message.
Do not turn.
No one dares me.
I have summoned all the women of this land here tomorrow for a meeting. I need to address them as the queen of this land. They need to know that there is a new queen in town.
It's not a bad idea, yes. Just make sure they leave with gifts.
Okay.
I will send you 5 million naira.
What?
Just to make sure that happens.
My king. Thank you, my husband. Husband of my youth. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Igwe, long live your highness.
What is it?
There's a young man out there. He said your father has instructed him to pass a message to you.
He can pass the message through you.
Yes, your highness. But he said your father instructed that the message must be delivered to you directly, your highness.
Okay, let him in.
Yes, your highness.
What does he want this time?
Let's watch and see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you mad? What did you just say? Did you just address the king of this land as sir? And I'm talking, you're still standing. My friend, will you kneel and greet the king properly?
Good afternoon, your majesty.
Remove his cap. Now, why are you here?
The Igwe sent me to deliver this message.
Will you just shut up? Listen, there is only one Igwe in this land, and that is my husband. So you will address him as your king. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Also, dear, no, leave this fool. Can't you see no Rini? Not Tolo now. Don't worry. He's not worth your energy. Come and sit.
Rubbish.
Leave him. Come and sit. Drop the letter here. You'll get lost.
Thank you.
I can get out. Seize the cap.
Hey!
If you think you can stop me from parading myself as the king, why don't you go ahead and do that and stop making noise?
Me making noise, Roland?
You are packing.
Parade yourself again as the king and face my wrath.
Look at your name. John Afandembu. Warn him not to visit here again, else my boys might do something that we all will end up regretting. Remember, they don't know you are my brother, so be careful.
Call these boys, these are urchins. Mother, I am suspecting you and I'm not comfortable with the way you're handling this thing. I don't know the game you are playing. Right in front of you, my younger brother is insulting me and you could not admonish him? I'm surprised at you, mother.
I should be asking you what is going on. What are you doing here? To warn him? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I will tame him. Mark my words, I will tame Roland. Excuse me. Go and get employed. Are you guys escorting me? Oh, good. You can do that. Ooh.